Alright folks, this is the Sony PXW-Z300, and it claims to be the ultimate handheld pro camcorder for news, docs, and high-pressure shoots. But the question is it the real deal or just another buzzword-packed gadget begging for attention? Spoiler alert, this thing isn't messing around. Let's talk image. The Z300 runs three 1.5-inch EMOR-R CMOS sensors, so you're not dealing with some mini-cam pretending to be big. You're getting legit 4K at 60 frames, with f12 sensitivity that makes low light feel like daylight. I shot indoors with nothing but a desk lamp and it still came out clean. No grain soup, no fake sharpening, just natural, punchy footage. Now, autofocus. This is where things get interesting. This beast has a dedicated AI brain. Not just some face tracking gimmick. I mean, it sees your face, eyes, even posture and bone structure. I walked away from it, turned around, put on a mask, and it's still locked on. It's creepy smart, but in a good way, like helpful creepy. Now, if you've ever had your footage ruined by overexposure or blown out highlights, let me show you something. This camera's got an electronic variable ND filter from 1/4 to 1/28. No clicky filter wheels, it's buttery smooth. So when you walk from sun to shade, the brightness adjusts like magic. Pair that with optical image stabilization, and suddenly, handheld shots look like you had a gimbal hiding in your backpack. Let's talk about this LCD. Sony went full yoga mode here. This thing's got a new flexible arm. You can pull it forward, swing it to the side, or pop it up for waist-level shooting. Shoulder cam? Yes. Low-angle tracking? Yes. Vlogger selfie cam mode? Yep, that too. It's brighter than the one on the Z280, and you can actually see it outdoors, under sunlight, without squinting like a mole. Okay, network heads, here's where the Z300 goes full rocket mode. It's built for the 5G and cloud age. Hook it up to Sony's PDT-FP transmitter, or even just your phone, and boom, you're live. Shooting, streaming, and uploading HEVC proxies while recording so your editor can start cutting before you even pack up the tripod. No more shoot all day, dump all night. That's over. And now, the buzzword that actually matters. Digital signatures. Yeah, Sony just dropped the mic here. This is the first camcorder in the world that can embed a digital signature directly into your video file. Why does that matter? Because deepfakes are real. Fake footage spreads like wildfire. And this camera proves your footage is real. If you're in journalism, law enforcement, even documentary work, this is huge. It's like having a built-in truth detector. Lens-wise, it's rocking a 17 times optical zoom with a constant f1.9 aperture and manual rings for focus, zoom, and iris. No fly-by-wire nonsense. Real rings, real grip. And if that's not enough zoom for you, you get 1.5 times digital zoom in 4K and up to 4 times in HD without turning your image into pixel pudding. You also get 4-channel audio, 2 XLRs, hot shoe support, and full mobile control using Sony's monitor and control app. So yeah, you can adjust settings from your phone, review clips, or even use it in a multicam setup. So, is the Sony PXW-Z300 just another buzzword machine? No. It's a field-ready, truth-proving, low-light killer of a camcorder that's built for serious work. If you're into news, docs, or live streaming with receipts, this thing is absolutely worth your attention. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to be reliable. And in this world, that counts for something. If you're as pumped about this tech as I am, drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you trust a digitally signed video more than a regular one? And hey, don't forget to hit that red button if you want more real-world reviews with zero fluff. Catch you in the next one.